What is the advantage of using pneumatics? Pneumatics takes advantages of the low friction and compressible nature of air. A lot of air can be moved rapidly and it can provide an advantage with unmatched response and cycle times. The answer to this question would be pneumatic systems are significantly cheaper than other streams like hydraulic systems. It can move faster and do not leak oil if they develop a leak as compared to the hydraulic systems. What are turbo machines? Turbomachinery in mechanical engineering describes machines that transfer energy between a rotor and a fluid. This includes both the turbine and compressors. Centrifugal pumps are also considered as turbo machines that transfer energy from a rotor to a fluid and usually a liquid. While turbine and compressors usually work with a gas. The answer to this question would be turbo machines are the devices which transfer energy to or from the fluid by the dynamic action of the rotating blades. What do you understand by engineering drawing? An engineering drawing is a type of technical drawing that is used to convey information about an object. A common use is to specify the geometry that is necessary for the construction of a component, and it is hence called a detailed drawing. Usually, a number of drawings are necessary to completely specify even a very simple component. The answer to this question is very short and simple. Engineering drawing is a technical document which is used to transfer technical details and defined requirements. Define least count. How to calculate the same for Vernier calipers. In the science of measurement, the least count of a measuring instrument is the smallest and accurate value in the measured quantity that can be resolved on the instrument's scale. The answer to this question would be least count is the smallest value that can be measured by any measuring instrument. Least count for a Vernier calipers can be measured using this formula. Here, LC is the least count, MSD is the main scale division, and VSD is the Vernier scale division. What is an orthographic drawing? Orthographic projection is a means of representing three-dimensional objects in two dimensions. It is a form of parallel projection in which all the projection lines are orthogonal to the projection plane, which results in every plane of the scene appearing on the viewing surface. The answer to this question would be orthographic projections are views of a 3D object showing three faces of it. The three drawings are aligned so that if the page were folded, it would create part of the shape. Why do you need a biological shield in nuclear plants? In nuclear power engineering, a complex of structures and materials surrounds a nuclear reactor and its unit, the purpose of which is to reduce radioactive emissions to a biological safe level. A biological shield is designed to absorb neutron and gamma radiation. The perfect answer to this question would be the biological shield absorbs neutron, gamma, and beta radiation and protects living things. What is a positive displacement pump? A positive displacement or PD pump moves a fluid by repeatedly enclosing a fixed volume and moving it mechanically through the system. The pumping action is cyclic and can be driven by pistons, screws, gears, rollers, diaphragms, or vanes. The answer to this question would be a positive displacement pump causes a liquid or gas to move by trapping a fixed amount of fluid or gas and then forcing or basically displacing that trapped volume into the discharge pipe. These pumps give a non-pulsating output or displacement unlike the reciprocating pumps, and hence they are known as positive displacement pumps. What keeps the shaft in floating position or floating condition in hydrodynamic journal bearing? The answer to this question is hydrodynamic pressure developed in the lubricant keeps the shaft in floating condition in hydrodynamic journal bearing. What is the value of coefficient of friction for ball bearings? The value of coefficient of friction for ball bearings is between 0.1 to 0.25. What does CNC means? CNC means computer numerical control. This means a computer converts the design produced by computer-aided design software or CAD software like AutoCAD into numbers. The numbers can be considered to be the coordinates of a graph, and they control the movement of the cutter of a machinery. The answer to this question would be CNC stands for Computer Numerical Controls. Numerical controls creates the automation of the machine tools. If computer program is used to make the automation, then the system is called CNC system. In modern times, computer-aided designs or CAD are used in the CNC machine for precise operation. Now with this particular question, we conclude our course. I hope you must have got something out of it, and you will definitely put into action. Thank you so much. All the very best.